Hello, I'm Scott from Early to Primary Essence, and this is the training and support video for the app. Now, two things before we log in. When you have your username, it is the same for the app as it is for the assessment website. So you'll have a 3-letter abbreviation followed by a dot and your first name, a dot and your second name. Your password will be originally given to you by your admin user, and then you'll be able to personalize it. The app is obviously found at the App Store, but if you're on it now, then you won't have to download it. So once you've entered that information, you'll log into your app. You'll then be presented with a screen which will give you the opportunity to take an observation. So you select New Observation, and you have the ability to take an image or video. Now, you can take that live, or you can take it from the gallery of your device. So it's not that dissimilar to when you're using your phone and you want to text or send a message and you put an attachment with it. So we take the image or video. In this case, I'm working on a large whiteboard, so I am actually taking that image from the computer's picture section. And my apologies, it's not necessarily relevant to what you're doing. However, that will be your setting with your provision and the children that you know. So I take my image, and here will be the class groups that I'm assigned to on the main website. Now, if there's any classes missing there or any children within the classes, you need to talk to your administrator because they give you permissions to access each class. So if it's reception class I am in, there is reception class in my children. Now it's key to remember here that you don't have to replicate on our system. So basically, if there's 2 or 3 children in the observation, you can tag those 2 and 3 with the single image. If we've made a mistake, or perhaps a child does something that's less than astounding, then we can deselect. We then go next. Now, at this point, you can do what's called a quick upload, simply because you've got evidence and a child to tag it to. If you've got time to do a fuller observation, great. Simply, you add your text there. It can be in shorthand. It doesn't particularly matter. The user can use the app with impunity because when it goes to the website, it's fully editable and it goes into a draft file. So please relax and don't think it's going to be seen by everybody. It purely goes into your own draft file for you to polish it and then publish it after you're happy. Okay, so we add our comments there. It's default set short observation and child initiated, simply because the large proportion are those two things. So that's usually fairly quick to go through. Obviously teacher, short and long observations. Label image is just good to share, and you can name that what you want when it goes into the system, but that could be theme days, it could be religious celebration days, class trips, birthdays. One of the great uses I've seen it for parents is when they do a production, like an Easter production, they could take 3-4 minute video, tag it to all the children, label image, and then when they upload, parents can obviously watch nearly live what they've missed out on. So that's an idea about what label image is. Again, you can upload at this point.